on to the next finger. Fresh one. Are you done? Do you want this one back? Oh, yeah. What does it taste like? Need more barbecue sauce? Oh.
It's a habit that'll be easy to break, I'm sure.
Do I need to add some seasoning? Yeah? Do you want my pinky? It's a little smaller. Yeah. It's easier to talk when you got the pinky. Really? Oh, maybe now you'll switch to your finger. No, oh, no. This is just, oh. It's like a finger massage. Yeah. Are you done with it? Oh, what do you want to chew on next? Oh, wrist. Oh, you got big eyes. I think your eyes are bigger than your stomach. A knuckle?